everyone, welcome to Geeksvana. Today I am in just outside Birmingham for the West Midlands Drone Club meetup. This is a club that El Smeghead, regular viewer and our senior moderator, he runs the club. Obviously he's living in Guernsey at the moment, so he's over for a short break to see his other half Katie, so I thought I'd come down and see everybody.
Hi!
Smeghead filming for his channel.
I'm not actually flying, I'm just pretending I'm catching up on Coronation Street.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay, so far we have flown the Inspire, my old Inspire here, the FPV drone. Probably going to get the Air 2S and the Mini up at some point, although there's a lot of small drones dotting the airspace at the moment. Glorious weather for it. Lots of the usual faces, Darren K, El Smeghead, Claire and Beth from Droneprep are here as well. Out and about chatting to people, which is good to see a bit of community engagement. Hey everybody, let me know in the chat if you can hear me properly. This is very disconcerting, as I don't normally stream this way. Can I turn it this way and it will still? Nope, it wants me to go like this. That's fine. Well, hi everybody, welcome to Geeksvana Live. We are currently in sunny Birmingham. It's pretty sunny down here at the moment, and we're flying at West Midlands Drone Club meetup. Big shout out to Claire and the guys at Droneprep for helping us find a location.
Hi everybody.
It's Smeghead. Look.
I know. And there's no room in the Coke either.
Wait for it. It's Smeghead and Sean in the same picture. I have my filming assistant Joanne here. Hello Joanne.
Hello.
Hello, have you got Geeksvana t-shirt? No one can see Geeksvana t-shirt. I'm now going to try and work out how to end a live stream like a boomer on my mobile. I'm going to be pressing the buttons like this, and I think I pressed that. Are you sure you want to stop streaming? Yes. Alright guys, see you soon. Thanks for coming in.